Hello guys, welcome, and today we will discuss speaking part 1. I have already alluded to speaking part 0 in my previous video, and today we will venture on speaking part 1. So speaking part 1 questions are very important. These are basically introductory questions. So the examiner might ask you about your study or your work or your home. Okay, so let's look at studies. So the first question is, are you currently working or studying? So this answer will depend upon your current status. If you are a student or if you are working. Let's say if you are studying. I am a scholar and currently preparing for my IELTS exam as I want to pursue a career abroad. So basically for studying, you have said you're a scholar. You can say I'm studying at this place. Okay. You are preparing for your IELTS exam. So you can say I'm preparing for my IELTS exam. And why are you preparing? Because you want to pursue a career abroad. Okay. Now let's look at the second question. What was your favorite subject in school? Now this could be anything: geography, geology, history, mathematics, science. Okay. But here we are going to look at mathematics. I was fond of mathematics during my schooling days as I had a strong command over the subject and enjoyed solving the sums and equations or sums and equations. Okay, so this could be a perfect answer for why, which is your favorite subject and why is it your favorite subject. Never try to answer too concisely. So if the question states or if the examiner asks you the question, what was your favorite subject in school? Don't just say, oh, I'm fond of mathematics or I'm fond of history. You have to elaborate your answer. So the elaboration part comes here. Because you enjoyed solving sums and equations, you enjoyed mathematics. Also, I have not taken the same words from the question. So I have not written my favorite subject is. You have to paraphrase the question and then tell your answer. So favorite is synonym for fond. Okay. So when you are paraphrasing, it helps in your lexical resources, which will increase your band scores. Thirdly is, do you prefer to study in the morning or afternoon? Now this is a subjective question. In this you can answer, no, I do not prefer to study in the morning or in the afternoon. I study to prefer in the night, as everyone is asleep at that time and that is a very peaceful time. Okay, but I have written it in a different manner. Here is the answer. Well, I like to study in the morning as it is quiet and peaceful during that time of the day and helps me to concentrate better. You can say afternoon is peaceful time or evenings are your peaceful time also. Okay. Also, again in this question, we have extended upon our answer. We just haven't stopped at I prefer to study in the morning. Okay, because elaboration also is a part of your IELTS exam. Please make sure that your answers are not too short, not too long. Okay, try to make your answers around 2 sentences or 3 sentences. Okay. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button